Hello, today we're going to show you how to make your own Valentine's Day card on Zazzle. See this? So here's the front of the card. You see the picture and Happy Valentine's Day. So if you want to upload your own picture, it's really easy. So see the link above? I'm going to put that down in the description below. So just copy that link and click on it to get to this card, to this template. Alright, so you can see the front of the page. Here's the inside. Love you more and more every day. And just my logo on the back. So how you do this is you just click on personalize. And then you're going to click on change. And then you're going to go up to the top on the left and click upload images. And that's going to take you to your computer files where you can upload any picture you want. So click on the picture you want. And see, it automatically fills it in perfectly. Now if you want to change the text, you can again click on personalize this template, and then you can add in whatever text you want there. You don't have to change it if you don't want to, but if you want to, you can. So put in whatever you want to, your own personal message there. Then just click off. And there's your personalized card. You got your own photo and your own message. Now just click add to cart and check out, and you're all set. You have your own personal Valentine's Day card. For more tutorials, subscribe or visit our websites, mimimamami.blog or timefortheholidays.net. Thank you.